Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Thursday, August 14th. Well, the market sent a very loud message today, and if you didn't hear it, you weren't listening. So I will explain to you what that message was. When any kind of what they would call bad or negative news comes out that is widely believed by all the experts to be negative news, and the market shrugs it off and turns around and rallies 120 points in face of this bad news, that's the message. The market wants to go up. A bank could fail tomorrow and the market would still probably rally. So the message is, when bad news comes out and the market shrugs it off and rallies, it doesn't take a genius to figure out what the message is. So we have another piece of evidence that the market wants to go higher. Even bad news can't knock it down. Okay, what kind of day? Another good day. PMI. I took 34% out of it, and I know a lot of you took a lot more than that out of it, and I'm happy for you. Now, that's the second bond insurer that's worked out really well for us, and we still have another one on the table that we haven't sold, and it was up pretty good again today too. Okay, I've got a new idea for you tomorrow, and then we'll take a look at the stock we bought this morning, HAYZ, not HAYS, as I put in the blog, and one of my very astute readers spotted it and sent me an email, so I made the change quickly. The new idea for tomorrow coming in tomorrow is LLNW. So in just a moment we'll take a look at the chart, and I'll show you exactly how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So now don't go away. I will be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of LLNW. Now this is a call on the long side. Let me give you a full picture here. Okay, this is a call on the long side. We'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow somewhere between $3.96, that's where it closed, as far down as $3.70. I think it could pull back a little bit down into this support area here. Target on the upside, $7, this resistance area right up here. Stop loss limit, a close below this level here, which is $3.18, right there. So let me zoom in, and I'll show you what I see. Okay, starting back here. Breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback. Another day or two, another breakout, and so on and so forth. Also, we've got a long ascending triangle. And I've said this before, I told you, the longer the base, the bigger the move. And we broke out of that, and we broke out of that, and now the next one was we're going to break out of that one. So right now we're still pulling back into support, and we could get, like I said, we could get down to 370, maybe even 365. That would be an ideal spot to buy this. So let me recap this. This is LLNW. This is a call on the long side, and depending on where we buy this, we could probably make ourselves about $3. Okay, let's take a look at HAYZ. We bought it this morning. It's already given us a nice little profit. I bought this. I waited for it to come in, and I waited quite a while to buy this. Finally, it looked like it was getting ready to move, so I stepped in at $2.55. Let's remind everybody why we bought this. Two reasons. Reverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head. Also, the ascending triangle look. Whoops. And I do believe we officially have our breakout today, because we closed above it. I pointed out yesterday we had this, what I call these false breakouts, but it's really a signal that they really want to break out. But they pull back into their support area for a day or two, and then a few days later they pop up. So this is looking very promising. This is our target, $4 a share. It's off to a good start. Put that into our portfolio. Maybe in a week or two we'll be ringing the register there. Okay, let's take a look at the major index and see how they're shaping up. Market acts just great. I can't believe there are still people calling this a rally in a bear market. I'm glad they told me this is a bear market so I don't do something stupid like go out and buy something. You know, God forbid I should make some money on the long side. Only a rally in a bear market. Okay, the Dow rally. We're not out of this. We know we could pull back again tomorrow. Like I said, it could be another day or two, or it could be ready to go. But what's key here, what's important here, is the fact that we get these good rallies off of this area right in here, right where this trend line is, right where it's supposed to happen. You know, right where the line for the blue color. Don't go over that line. Where it's supposed to happen, it happens. So that's just more proof, more evidence that we're on the right track here. All right, that's the Dow. Let's take a look at the transportation average. Now, you know we tested support yesterday. We got a good little bounce off that. Closed on the high of the day, and today we furthered those gains and sort of closed on the higher end of the range. So we now know, we knew all along that this was support, but now we've got proof of the fact that it's support because of the rally that comes off of those areas. It's sort of like a scientist putting a theory to practice. Let's get it down there and see if it works. Boom. Well, it worked. That's how we now know for sure that that's support. Russell 2000. Not quite a new high, but boy, I tell you, it's looking like it wants to go. We even got this little teeny weeny little reverse head and shoulders in here. This is the head. This one bar is the left shoulder. This bar is the right shoulder. Anyway, it may pull back another day or two. I don't know if it's quite ready to go, but boy, it looks like it wants to go. SPY, basically Standard & Poor's 500, looks very much like the Dow. We do know that this is our support line. It gets down into that area and pops up. More proof. And finally, the QQQs. Now, the QQQs of all the indexes made a new recovery high again today. There's no holding these back. I thought there was a chance they could back and fill come down into here, but I don't know. They act awfully strong. They may still back and fill for a few more days before they go, but remember they could go at any moment, because we do have an uptrend going here. Okay, that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.